Welcome to Six's Overdrive. Today is an exciting day. We are gonna go skeet shooting today. That's right, I'm gonna get myself 120 bullets for the Lloydminster Construction Association's clay pigeon shoot. Whew! She's gonna be sore on the shoulder by the end of this day. Just dropped my kid off at school. He's going to a volleyball tournament. I gotta rush home and get some work done because at 10:30 this morning, we're heading out to Range Road 24 and we're gonna blast us some clay pigeons. It's gonna be fun. The guys at Guardian Plumbing and Heating invited myself and my wife along. It should be just a fun day of going out, hanging out with friends and shooting some guns. Well, today it's gonna be cold. It's 0 degrees, the freezing point right now. Can you tell it's cold? So I'm layered up. I got my long johns on, head to toe. I'm gonna put a big hoodie on and get my winter jacket out and some nice warm shoes. I'm gonna shoot the whole thing on this FDR3000x from Sony because it's a good little handy thing. I don't want to bring all my camera equipment today, so no external mics or anything today, guys. We're gonna do it all on this little baby. There's nobody here.
Nobody where?
At the clay shoot. Like there's like 4 cars here. Okay. Maybe we're just a bit early. You did say come at 10:40, right? So we're probably just a bit early. Okay. I was starting to freak out because I was just like, there's literally like 3 trucks and our vehicles here. 15th today, yeah. Just kidding. I kill you. All right, we'll see you later. Yeah. Okay, bye. So that was Blaine. Turns out we're here a little bit early. Nobody came. They're just starting to pull up now. It's 11 o'clock. We were supposed to register at 11 o'clock. So, yeah, I'll lock up my car and we'll get down there and do this.
Make sure your gun is through the stand before you load your shells. Put 2 shells in your gun only, not 3, 4, or 5. I know they'll hold them.
That was advice to live by. Okay, check this out. Major sponsor of this event. Six's Overdrive, doing it up right. They get to push, I get to film. I just put my earplugs in. Am I talking loud?
All right, I'm focusing. What do I do with my eyes?
Both eyes open. Wow, what a great day I'm having out here. It's absolutely great. Matter of fact, it's so good, I'm gonna put down my camera and finish the rest of this off because, let's face it, nothing's as fun as actually doing the thing, even the filming for you guys. So guys, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Six's Overdrive, thanking Guardian Plumbing and Heating for inviting me out. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.